Hey guys, so we are up here at the top of Juniper Flats. I just love this view, just overlooking all the beauty of Bisbee, Arizona, and I just took my sweet new F850 GS up here for a little test ride. This is literally the first time I have ever ridden it, so I'm not super well qualified to tell you absolutely everything about it, but I'll tell you what I know, and I will tell you that I am stoked about this motorcycle. So this was a huge redesign for BMW. The F800 came out first here in 2008, and for the last 4 years I have been riding a 2009 F800 GS. And so to have a brand new 2020 F850 GS is incredible. This is an entirely new motor, it's an entirely new chassis, entirely new frame. Big changes to the suspension and the entire way the bike is set up. This weighs about 500 pounds and it doesn't feel it at all. The balance is so different than my old F800. It just feels so much more dynamic and so much more nimble. I know that there's been a big difference in the weight distribution between front and rear, and it's really balanced. This model is one of the premium packages, so it has this really great TFT display that is super bright, it's super easy to read. You've got your menu button here, and then you have this toggle wheel to toggle through all kinds of different stuff. The menu is so comprehensive. Check this out. Just toggles right here, and you get this whole sweet setup. So you just hit the menu button, and then use this wheel to track through everything. You can connect navigation, you can run your music and your cell phone through your motorcycle. The settings, super comprehensive, everything you need to know. I think this removes the need entirely for putting it on a computer and diagnosing any issues. I think it's all right there at your fingertips. And so this is really incredibly easy to use. I've never had something this technological before, and it did not take me long at all to learn how to use it. And I am a pretty low-tech person. I'm really excited about the cruise control for those long hauls on the highways. Adjustable ABS, adjustable suspension. These ride modes are super cool. Enduro, rain, road, and dynamic. So it's just a whole compendium of different settings and features, and it adjusts everything from the ABS to the suspension to the throttle control and everything else. So it's very cool. So another thing that's great about this bike is the fitment. It fits me perfectly. I know the stock seat is a little bit lower than the previous F800. I've got a rally seat on here, making it 35 inches at the seat height, which is perfect for me. I'm tall, 34-inch inseam, so it works really great. I feel like I'm gonna probably put a little set of risers on these bars just to give myself an extra little inch. I felt like I was reaching for the bars a lot when I was on my way up here, but no big deal. So this is the BMW GPS mount. I don't know that I'm necessarily going to put that on there, but you can take this off, and I probably will just do that along with putting bar risers on. I also need to get some serious crash protection on this bike. This is it's an expensive machine to be thrown around in the dirt, so I had BMW put just this lower engine bar and a skid plate on it. That's just the options that they had, so I figured let me get that on there before I bash something up. But I know Touratech makes some great upper engine crash bars, and then some other, I definitely need some bark busters, because those are gonna go. The thing about motorcycles is they have only 2 wheels, so I have a tendency to tip them over from time to time. So I feel like I need all the crash protection that I can get. I'm sure I'm forgetting something from this video, but you should probably just get one and ride it yourself. This F850 GS is just a great mid-weight, all-purpose adventure bike, good for long hauls on the tarmac, and really wonderful and nimble and capable, from what I can tell in the 48 hours that I've owned the thing. Really wonderful and capable for off-road stuff as well. So thanks for watching, you guys. I really appreciate it. My name's Eva Rupert. I'm the Motorcycle Community Ambassador for Overland Expo. You can find me over on Instagram at AugustEva, or I'll see you out on the dusty trail somewhere. Thanks a lot.